Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. It's a Stitch Fix. Everybody loves Stitch Fix. Hopefully there will be some good spring styles in this one, so let's get into this. Welcome to my channel. We have a spring, hopefully, Stitch Fix for you today. I got the preview on this and I believe I chose 3 items. I know there's one dress that kind of looks like a sundress and a pair of sandals. Can't remember what the other one was. I'm hoping that the stylist filled in with some good spring things. I had asked for simply the latest spring styles when I filled out the questionnaire. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, I have got all of the cliff notes, the quick get to it, how it works in the description box down below. I will try and remember to pin that to the top of the comments as soon as I am able, along with my referral link that will get you a $25 credit towards your first fix. And that gets me a credit too, and I want to thank you for that. So let's just get into this box and see what is in here. It may be several weeks before I make another video. As most of you know, I have a trip to California coming up, and I have to get through with that, and then I have to get back and film and then have time to put a video up. But I will do my best to get a video up as soon as I can. So this is the postage paid mailer to send anything I don't love and don't want to keep back. With Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 items, they send 5, you get a 25%, is it 25% discount? So many boxes and I get confused. So we have 4 items here and a pair of shoes, which is going to be those sandals. Here is the bundle. What do we have? There's here, maybe this side will be better. Maybe? There we go. There's the bundle. Something white, something, I don't know. We'll just take a look and find out. And the shoes. And also in here is this little envelope. It has my Oh Hello card, which has the stylist note and some ways that you can wear the different items. And then the invoice. And I will save that till the end, as I always do, so it does not influence my opinion of the clothing, because it really can. Let's start with the shoes. I already have these sandals in a striped toe, but I thought they were cute and I thought that this denim would be very, very versatile and match with a lot, so I thought I'd give them a try. The ones I have in this style already are very comfortable, so I don't mind the idea of having a second pair in a different color. Let's get into our, there we go. So the first item up is a muscle shirt. It looks like a ribbed muscle shirt. This is by Hawthorne. So there we go. It does have a seam down the back. That's about the only detail I can find on that. So hopefully she has something for me to wear in here with this. And I'll read that, that stylist note on off camera. I think that can be a little tedious for people to listen to. So this is cute. This is a little dress. I like this. I don't have any dresses in green. Has a little bit of a sleeve. And I may have left, so after you choose items on the preview, they give you about 10 items and you can choose what you'd like off the preview. Then after that, the stylist comes in and fills in items and looks for any additional notes that you made. And I think I may have said, I'd like to find a dress, now I'm recalling, that is elbow length or longer, because I have plenty of dresses that have no sleeves or short sleeves, but I don't have anything that has some sleeves, and I think a lot of times I would wear a dress with sleeves even more. This might be the sundress that I picked out in the preview. Yeah, it is. So this is nice. I thought this would be a cotton material. It's actually a knit fabric with some stretch in it. Oh, it has pockets at the side. That's always nice. I kind of like the colors. You know, dark florals are a thing right now. It's why I chose to wear this shirt today. And I thought that would be pretty in a dress. So we'll give that a try. It looks like pretty simple styling, nice square neckline. I tend to do pretty well in square necklines. And let's see what else we've got. What is this? Oh, it's a skirt. This was the other item from my preview. Now I recall. I asked for this. It's not quite a tulip skirt, but at the bottom, it does have a little bit of extra width. That always works real good for me with these here hips because it helps kind of make it drop more straight down rather than curve in and make me look like a giant ice cream cone. But yeah, little skirt has a zipper on the side. We'll give that a try. And is that it? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Okay, I asked her to give me a shirt, now I'm remembering, things are coming back to me, to wear with this skirt. I am not going to wear a muscle shirt with a dressy material skirt. Not happening. So I'm gonna, will it match with it? Maybe not. I'm gonna run upstairs and find clothes to make these into outfits, and we'll be right back with the try on. Lauren is my stylist again for this fix. She suggested that I put these 3 items together. Indeed, the shirt was meant to go with the skirt, and then she said that the sandals would work with it. And I pulled the items out individually, as you saw, and I thought, I don't know about this, especially when she suggested the sandals when I read that stylist note. But when I get them on, it's not too bad. Now, this isn't how I would wear them, but I appreciate that she was really trying to pull the items together that I'd already selected and make an outfit. And the Stitch Fix stylists, I think, do a pretty good job of that, especially considering they only have 5 items to send. By the way, I saw one person do a Stitch Fix unboxing and she had 6 items and somehow she knew they were coming. So are they starting to send more items? I would love that if they would send more items. But I digress. Let's talk about the items themselves. These sandals are every bit as comfortable as the sandals in the same style with a little bit of a striped across the toe. So love these. They fit great. I think they would work with a lot. Shorts, skirts, obviously. You name it. I think these would be really cute all summer long, and they're comfortable. The skirt is more of a polyester kind of dressy type feeling fabric. Now when I take this sweater off, you will see that the skirt, you can see some lines through the skirt likely. That's because A, I'm not wearing Spanx, and B, I tuck the top in. So be prepared, that's going to happen. But the skirt is comfortable. I'm really happy with the way it fits. I think this is a good fit on me, and I think if I had slipped some Spanx on it would fit even better. So really happy with this, and I like that little bit of a wider hem here at the bottom that kind of flows out away from me a little bit at the bottom down there. Now the tank, same issue I have with this style of tank, this muscle tank ribbed, is it almost covers the bra in the front, but in the back, no way. And so now you see where we got the va-va-vumi coming in here. I already own a tank almost identical to this one. So I don't need the tank. It's a good tank. Don't think I would really wear it with a skirt of this style. But I do like the skirt. I do have items in my closet I believe that will work with it. I will take the skirt upstairs when I am done making this video and see how it matches with other things, also depending on the price, because I think this could be a good contender. I could use a solid skirt in my closet, and I think one in a springish color would be fantabulous. She didn't suggest that I wear the sweater with this. She suggested I wear the sweater, and this is from a past fix with this. I love it when they pull in items from past fixes to try and help make outfits as well. But I thought it would work pretty good with this, and it seems to. I'll give you a quick spin around. So these are the first 3 items. 1, 2, 3. Let's move on to one of these 2 dresses. Oh my gosh. I love this little dress. I didn't think I would, but I do. I like everything about it, including, I don't need a strapless bra. Look at this. This is my regular bra. My regular bra is on, and you cannot see my straps. I don't even think you can see them even a little bit from the back, can you? That's awesome, because I hate wearing a strapless bra. I'll do it. I have a link to a good strapless bra that I'll include here if it's still up on Amazon. But yeah, I don't have to do that with this. So much more support. Feels so good. I love exactly where the waistline hits me. I think it's just about perfect at the small part of my waist. Has a nice flowy skirt. It has pockets. I don't do anything with pockets in dresses except put my hands in them, but I just love that. Nice casual fabric, but I could put a blazer with it, pair of heels, so many ways I could wear this dress. Unless it's like $400, I'm keeping this. I just love it. Look. And it has swishability. I'm really tickled with this, I guess you can tell. Okay, enough talking about this cute dress. Let me mention the shoes work great with it, but I have another pair of shoes that I got from Stitch Fix last summer, and I think these would work equally well with it. So I'm not required to purchase the shoes if this happens to be the only thing I think I'm going to keep. Well, I think I'm going to keep that skirt too. We'll do numbers at the end, but let's come back with this last dress and see how that works out. Before we talk about this dress, let's talk about my hair. It started out very puffy and it's deflating as we go. When I had the perm, it would hold the shape, but the perm's growing out, so my hair, and I made a mistake this morning. I put it up in curls on top of my head to help it get some volume, and then I got busy putting something in the crock pot, and it was too much. Anyway, sorry about the hair. It's a little wild, but let's talk about the gorgeous dress instead. But I did want to address, I know my hair is doing kind of funny-ish things right now, and it's deflating on me. Okay, let's talk about the dress. This is the dress that Lauren did recommend I wear this white sweater with. I think that was a good call. It's really, really cute together, I think, in kind of a classic type of way. I'm a little torn on how I feel about the dress. I think the styling on me is awesome. I think I could use just a little bit more room here at the bust. Maybe it's acting like it's kind of threatening to split there at the bust a little bit. Let me know what you think down in the comments. So I'm stuck between, this looks a little school marmish and maybe a little boring, and this is kind of that classic 40s, 50s style that just works really, really well on my figure, and I like to lean into that when I can. So is this a yes or no on this dress? I really would like your opinion, and I will be able to extend this, so I'll be able to hear your opinions. No pockets, that's kind of a bummer, but that's okay. It's just that light polyester type fabric. This actually would work probably pretty well all the way through summer. But on the other hand, I can wear a cardigan or something like that, maybe a darker cardigan or blazer even with it. As when it gets cooler outside. I do need a dress that has some kind of sleeves on it, as I mentioned at the unboxing portion of the video. This is the last item in the box. I'm going to put my regular clothes on, we will pull it in close, and we will talk prices and what I might keep. Oh my gosh, my hair, I cannot get it under control. This is wild. Let's just roll with it. It's sticking out and doing all sorts of crazy. Let's just go with it and we'll get into the prices here. I did want to show you the pattern on this dress. I don't know if I showed it to you close up. It looks like little bubbles. I think that's awful cute little pattern, and it did have a self belt in case you didn't see that when I was doing the try on. All right, items and prices. Let's see. First up is the Adeline Fabric Knot Sandal by Mia in light blue, size 11, $54. I like these, they're really cute. I'm gonna take a look in my closet and see if this is something I can really use. I do have those wedge blue sandals that I showed with one of the outfits, and I have another pair exactly like these with a striped pattern on the toes. So maybe this isn't something I can use, but they're cute and very comfortable sandals, and I would actually highly recommend them. Next up is the Kaylee, there we go, rose knit midi shirt dress in green, size large, $58. Why are they calling this rose? That pattern, it looks like bubbles. It doesn't look like, okay, maybe it's a woman's name, Rose. Like it, oh, I bet that's what it is. Takes me a minute, but eventually I get this. So this one is $58. I think that's a pretty good price on it. I've pointed out before that things with buttons down the front tend to be a little bit more difficult construction. Of course, it would be much more difficult if it went all the way down the front because you got plackets and facings and all that stuff. And also a collar is always a little bit more difficult to do on a dress than just a plain neck, you know, like this. So that's a consideration. Next up is the Nine Britain Marinca, M-A-R-I-N-C-A, square neck dress in navy, size large, 58. Is that navy? If it's navy, it's a super dark navy. $58 on this I think is a good price. I love this dress. It fits me right, everything about it. Do I really need another sundress? No, but I think I would wear this more than any of the other ones I have because it's flattering, it's comfortable, and I like it better than any of the other ones that I have. Plus, you don't have to iron that. It will wash and dry beautifully. Next is the 41 Hawthorne Erica high neck modal fitted in white. Let me look at the name on the tag. Rib knit tank. This one is $39. I will tell you right now, it's a size large. I think that's too high on this little tank, but it's a cute tank. I just think for the quality, you could find something for less expensive elsewhere. And then the Kaylee Heloise midi skirt in light blue, size large. This is $58. She did a really nice job of keeping all of my prices down fairly low, and I like the way this one fits. It does have a little bit of elastic in the back, right? Yeah, just a little bit in the back, and so that's what keeps it from gapping on me, and I like that too. So I like 3 of the 5 items. I'm going to be doing a little math with you here in a minute, but the stylist pick subtotal is $267. The buy all discount of 25%, if I keep all 5 pieces, is $66.75, which would bring my subtotal down to $200.25. If you pay a shipping fee, then that, or excuse me, if you would pay the styling fee. If you pay the styling fee, that's $20, and that would be credited back. And so you would pay at checkout $180.25. I still have the style pass. They apparently decided they were going to let me keep it this year. That happened in January. I'm really grateful for that. So if you want to know what the style pass is, just ask me down below. So let's discuss what I might like to keep. So there's 3 items. I think they are each $58. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So that's $174 for all of them, all 3, the skirt and both dresses. For $24 more, if I keep all 5 of them, for $26.25, the 225, I can keep the sandals and I can keep the tank. So the question is, will I wear the sandals, honestly, enough to make up for $26.25? And I would really like you guys to give me your opinion on this dress in particular before I make any final decision. So yeah, I got a few choices to make. Well, I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this one. I am really up in the air. But if nothing else, I'm keeping this, and I think I'm probably going to keep the skirt too. This one's what I'm debating on. And then if I get that, do I spend another $26.25 to keep the tank and the shoes? Let me know what you think. Well, that is it for this video. If you would do me a big favor, if you haven't already, and squish that like button, helps me out tons. I've talked about it before. If you have not subscribed and you would like to see different types of unboxings, mostly clothing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you do that, you'll be sure to find out about my new one. Hit that notification bell if you would like notice of upcoming videos. With that, I will let you all get on with your day. Thank you very much again for being here, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. An indecisive Ruger, he can't decide if he wants to go to the bed that way or to another bed that way. And I are going, nope, don't like that. And my nose is running. So Lauren is my stylist this time, and that was really loud. So Lauren, let's start over. I like the sandals. They are very comfortable. This bench should not be here. Let's start over. That didn't, oh, wow. Look at this. Oh my holy word. Oh, that's good, right like that. Yeah, okay. When all else fails, flip it upside down and see if you can make the crazy have purpose. Oh, that's actually kind of better.